This is a project here in North Houston that ATI Restoration was called out on. Often talk about how you don't know what you're walking in on, and this was a perfect example of that. We were able to start from beginning to end, taking it all the way through the insurance process. So when we met the homeowners, it was walking them through that process of what needed to be done on the beginning stages and building that trust, because most people have not been through this before. So building that trust up front is key. First stage here, it is securing the home, whether that be tarping, boarding up to secure the property. We are now strategically doing demo, anything that is wet in the home, the drywall, the insulation from the fire department being here. Those things need to get out first to keep things from getting worse. From there, we're able to move into then wiping down studs, getting the smoke smell out. You have to remove the source. The next stage from there is we then work hand in hand again with the homeowner, with the insurance, to then move into the rebuild phase, keeping everyone informed of what we're doing as we move through to make sure everyone's comfortable with each stage. We've already done that process here. The inside of the home is what we would call gutted out at this point, so it's dry, everything is safe. We are now into the stage of the rebuilding, which would be the next phase of that project. We're doing that in stages as well. Kind of strategic demo as we continue to move through and framing behind and get the home built back better than it was before.